What's up everybody, Marco here. We're back again with another mezcal tasting, and today I have Mezcal Borrego from Bozal. Let's get it. Alright, so I have Mezcal Artesanal from Bozal. This is Mezcal Borrego. This is a special edition mezcal that they produce in the same style that you would find a mezcal de pechuga, except this is made with leg of lamb, hence the name Borrego. And I really like that they call this line Borrego Sacrificio, like sacrifice. So it's a pretty interesting take on mezcal. This is a Mezcal Artesanal Joven. This is made with agave angustifolia and potatorum, which is maguey, espadin, and tobala. So we have a blend here. We have an ensamble of mezcal that was used for this particular bottle here. I'm very interested to taste it, so let's crack it open. This mezcal is produced in the region of Rio de Ejutla in Oaxaca. I believe this is Maestro Mezcalero Adrian Bustamante. I couldn't find specific information on this particular batch. I do know that he did another batch for them with agave Castilla. So I'm wondering if this Maestro Mezcalero also produced this ensamble of Borrego. If you're not familiar with what a mezcal de pechuga is, or the style of mezcal de pechuga, it involves hanging a protein in the distillation process. So what happens is they'll take a sack that'll be filled with seasonal fruits along with a protein. Usually it's going to be a turkey breast or a chicken breast, but a lot of other types of proteins are beginning to be used as well, or have been used, in this case lamb. And you might have tasted Mezcal Salvadores, who does the buffalo, and I've even seen lobster. I have a nice pechuga style one at home that has rabbit and mole in there. So this is a very unique style of distillation that is often reserved for special occasions. A lot of maestro mezcaleros will do a mezcal de pechuga for whether it's a wedding or a quinceañera or a very special personal occasion. That's usually what these types of mezcales are reserved for. So I'm very excited to taste this unique blend here. This one we have here is, I believe, 47% ABV. Let me double check. Yeah, we have 47% ABV, and let's get to it. Let's taste it. On the aromas, it's very subtle. I do get fruitful notes like dried fruit. Almost like, I get spices as well. And a lot of times the pechugas do have a very, and when I say spices, I mean like cooking spices or like cinnamon, allspice. Very sweet smelling. Fruitful, yeah, for sure. All right, mouthfeel. Whoa, this is good. I almost get like a tamarind flavor. Whoa, give me 1 second really quick. It has a spice to it. It has that kick to it in the mouthfeel. It's very coating, pretty viscous on the mouthfeel, but that flavor is like, I get tamarind. I get like a sour candy type of feel, taste. I get a citrusy taste as well, but not like lime, not like zesty lime, but like almost like mandarin. There's a lot of sweetness to it, and I imagine it's from the seasonal fruits that are in here, almost like strawberry or different berries as well. Almost like a grainy taste as well, or like nuts or like almonds, kind of like when you drink almond milk, you get that almond flavor. This is packed with a lot of different flavors and aromas. Definitely get the taste of the dry fruits. And that spiciness and that heat you get from a mezcal, it's ever present in every taste I'm having too. So that's very good as well. Sometimes you'll taste a mezcal and at first you get that kick and that spiciness, and then your palate gets used to it, and then you're able to drink more of that mezcal, which is fantastic. Here, I keep getting that prickliness, that prickly sensation. Right now I'm even getting a numbing sensation on the roof of my mouth, on my gums as I press my tongue up against my palate behind my teeth. Yeah, that's a good sign right there. I like that. Nice and clear, has a silvery hue to it. Yes, this has possibly exceeded my expectations. This is a fantastic mezcal. I'm glad I finally cracked it open. Bozal is a brand that you could find in different places. Several liquor stores have it. I believe I got this at Mission Liquors in, there's one in Pasadena if you're from Southern California. That's not the one I got it at. I got the one in San Fernando Valley. Forgot the streets. They had it. When I saw it, I had to pick it up. And well, Bozal Mezcal de Borrego, Mezcal Artesanal. I give this a 4-star. I'm gonna enjoy sharing this one with my friends. And if I see another one, I'll have to pick it up. One unique thing about Bozal that I have found with other mezcales that I've picked up from Bozal is that they'll have different batches made from different regions or different maestros. So that's why I'm kind of curious as to this one, who has produced other ones I've read up online. I also tasted a Mezcal Tepestate that oddly enough I found in Costco. Costco all of a sudden has some unique finds that you could pick up. And I picked up 2 bottles of Mezcal Tepestate from Costco. They look the same and they both say Tepestate, but they both came from different regions and different maestros mezcaleros, and they even had different ABV. So check out this video here where I taste the 2 and compare them. But I'm just enjoying this mezcal. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Have you guys tried Mezcal de Borrego from Mezcal Bozal? If you have, let me know what you think below. Which of the batches did you try yourself? And if there's another mezcal you think I should try, let me know in the comments. And as always, make sure you find your mezcal. Peace.